organization systems do you recommend for organizing pots, pans, and food items?
Um, Food items, you probably don't need as many dividers to hold those in place, but definitely if you're storing your your flatware, not your flatware, but your plates and bowls, there's a pegboard grid that you can put in the bottom of your drawer with posts. So when you're opening and closing your doors, all your plates aren't shuffling around in there. It keeps everything in nice, neat, organized stacks. Very convenient. You can actually do the same thing with glasses. Each glass could go over a peg. But as far as food goes, there's dividers that would go front to back in your cabinet that can be at different widths, and that helps to hold canned goods in place. I feel like cans stack pretty easily anyway. They usually fit inside of each other as you're stacking them up. But the pegboard is probably the most popular insert that you can put in your base cabinets.